Alrighty, welcome. Oh man, I had the best sleep in the world. Incredible, man. Incredible. And the markets are hot. Looking good. There already says some DRC. Oh my god, RSI divergence. Can't even think. On the chart as we see it right now. I actually want to be in this trade that you've seen here. But I just logged on. I saw this. We're at some key support. I'm keen. I wish I was in this trade right now. Just missed it, I think. But this is the move we want. Now, we need to get some context here. Because man, oh man, this is a nice move. Coming to lunch. We're hitting lunchtime now in the market. So we should be starting to cool off a bit. I need to see how big these moves are. It's 100 pips up to there. Okay. 73 to there. Okay. Cool. That might have been a nice little easy win to set off the day. But let's see if we get our entry. I definitely wanted to be in this trade, so let's pop it in on. Oh, we would have got the entry there. There we go. So we're entered on the live as well. We got our entry that we wanted. We're breaking below. But there's a nice little eat up there. Let's see what happens here. I want to add to this position, but I'm cautious. I like the way that it ate up the bottom of that candle. Let's look on the 5. We might need to go a little bit more first. I'm going to take the small win on that because I'll add to it on the practice, but I think the reaction's not as strong as I want. I really want to push hard. That was my expectation. This is the kind of move, but I think we need to consolidate here a little bit longer. I might be wrong in that. We'll see. That's a nice little bounce. Okay. I think we might have been wrong. We might get another entry on this. But I like the trade a lot. It's a nice little move there, but it might get a little bit quiet now because we're coming into lunch. So, but logging on and seeing these moves is chef's kiss. That is so stunning, man. We don't usually take trades that quick, but I'll take it. It fit our strategy. I like getting a little bit more market context before we jump in. But it's looking good. It's going to be a good day, I think. Some good volatility in the market. So, see what happened overnight. Looks like we continue to bleed. Really hit that low, the market open. It's a beautiful run up. So this is pre-market, and market open is here at the top here. Bit of a sell-off and bounce, but the pre-market move is beautiful. Let's go to the 5. And what did we have last night? So, wow, we got some good moves overnight and during the day. Really nice. Oh, so is this... It's on exchange time. So that's cool. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. When did we finish up last night? So, yes, it was the 28th. And we would have finished our trading session like here somewhere, right? But... yeah, around here, right? Which is super interesting. You still got plenty of moves overnight, which is pretty cool to see. Now this candle might close doji. Let's look on the minute. We wouldn't have got our take profit on that sell, on that buy, sorry. It looks a little bit weak. This is the practice we're looking at the moment. I do like this RSI divergence on the last two candles. I want to add to this position as well. We'll just average down on that a little bit. Our stoppers here. A take profit. It's up here. Just at this high. This is on the practice, folks. Not real money, but it may sweep these lows. I like how this is getting eaten up, though. That's a win. That's a win. So, what would it cost us to go? Break even. Alright, we're in for 150. Chasing this move. But it looks weak. It looks really weak, doesn't it? Looks like a pullback in a bigger move to the downside. Yes. So... wow, it's our first big loss on the practice, I'd say. And I think... I think this is going to pull back above. I might have had my stop just too tight. Chasing this move. I like it. I like it a lot. But we're coming into, like I said, coming into lunch, so we got a pretty big short bias on the tilt indicator. There's some nice activity in the market at the moment. We're below that low. Is our stop for this trade. Trust in this RSI divergence. But like I said, I think we probably have to spend a little bit more time here before we make the move. We're in for 150 on the practice. And we're really chasing a move to that high. That's the move that we want. Yeah, we had our stops probably too tight on that previous trade. 23 seconds left on this candle. That eat up is not nice. Really need to see that close above 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's good. It's a good close. It's a good close. So even if we retest, I like that close. Now we're really targeting breaking this little high. I'm gonna have a look on here. I'd probably like to add to this trade. Yeah, there. Okay. This needs to close back above. This lower high is not promising. Okay, I thought we were in a good position there. But horrendously wrong. Oh, we've taken the loss on this as well. And I just think just had my stops too tight, I think. I think this is a good trade. Which is unfortunate because we've got to make a bit more on this now to make it worth it. Okay, so we've definitely learned a lesson here on the practice with the stops. Now, we don't normally have our stops that tight. That's a bad sign. We've entered almost, this is our third long, right, to the upside. Could have made 1,000, could have made 1,000, could have made 1,000. So it's not great behavior. Really chasing that, aren't we? Just having our stops at a better spot. I still like this trade on the live account. Got more people looking for a short at the moment. But these closes, 26 seconds. I want to see this close above. I would have thought, okay, so on the previous two candles, this one here, at least, and then this open, showed a lot of promise, man. A lot of promise. But we are used to seeing these kind of moves around lunch, right? So shouldn't be surprised. Want to see another close, another bullish close here. Getting back above would be super positive here. You got 46% of people looking for a long at the moment. So hand is against us. I thought we were looking good. I'm disappointed on the practice about the stops, but I can't really do anything about that now. Because I nearly took profit on that other trade here, right? This little move's looking good. Starting to break this high. That's a good close. Hate that. That's good. And we're really chasing this move here, right? Might take ground of profit on this one. That's a nice close. Yeah, that's surprising. That eat up. 12 seconds left on this candle. Just has to push. It's hit this high, right? Which is where I would have liked to have take profit. Actually was a better spot. It's like on the tick. Let's see if this works out. 53%. Looking for a long right now. Maybe looking here. So might go profit on this trade, should we? Or should we leave our stop here? It's a good candle close. The last one. I want to see this push. 14 seconds left on this candle. I think there's a little bit of momentum there. Some good lessons learned here on the practice. We'll take the 2000 out of that. And we'll reset. So I think we'll get another opportunity to re-enter here. And I might do the same here. We'll take the 140. It still looks bullish, but I think we'll get another opportunity. I might be wrong. Let's see. I was wrong. Yeah, look at that candle. That's a beautiful candle. Yeah, we should not have lost this other trade on the practice. It's a bad loss, man. Really bad loss. I guess because I was just flicking between accounts, so can't do much about that. Cool. I wonder why this doesn't come up. Just want to see. YouTube Studio is a bit of a pain like this. Yeah, that would have been a good trade to hold. That's all right. I think we got an opportunity here to re-enter. I really do. I like, and I'm going to chuck it on here in for 10 just here. Cool. So we exited that last trade approximately here, right? Yeah, it's a good... Yo... It's to here, right? The limit buy goes here. It's probably got a little bit more to move, hasn't it? Like that, maybe. It's our next level of resistance. Yeah, I think that opportunity to re-enter will come. %59% looking for a long right here. I'm looking for the short-term move, just back to this low. But that looks super bullish. Depends on how this candle closes. Ooh. The way that last candle closed. Well, almost closed, sorry. If it were closed with a long wick to the bottom side, downside, it would have been more promising for the continuation. but looks like we're going to get this move, aren't we? Down to this low. I like this trade a lot. Just wondering if we add to it. I nearly did a few seconds ago. Yeah, because I think we'll hit this low again. That's what I really, really want. So we took off half of that last move. That's not bad though. Just could have been better. Could have got double out of it, right? So that was 4,000 profit up here. Yeah. It's a good close. Just a move to the downside. Really just looking for us to tick this low. I mean, what an exciting start. Oh. Oh. Just too tight on that stop. Yeah, we're chasing half of that. Just there. We're in the business of catching bottoms again here. Which is a fun game to play. Yeah, ooh. Almost ticked. Alright, so I'm getting interested on this trade. Here we go. And taken out. So our entry is down here, right? On this. Wow, we're performing terribly on the practice. You can see those risky trades come together, right? Although these stops probably aren't as fair. I think if I was completely focused on the practice, I might have been fine. It's probably likely it would have been fine. This is good for a continued short. Just to this level. Take out that. Just to here. Might have missed an exit on this. Not sure yet. Still looks heavy. Ideally we'd like this move down to here, right? But it's we're struggling to capture this. Oh, that's good. Cool. So I just missed this entry. So let's see if we get a revisit. We might be able to recover this. We need to bring that there. And we're chasing this move there. It's not much. We might take... Really just want it to grab that high. That's all I really want out of this trade. I get it. It's close. It's close. Just push a little bit harder, baby. There we are. Okay, we're back in profit on the practice. Let me grab that high. Cool. Cool. Alright, fix that problem. Now let's fix this one. Some fast-paced trading. This is so good tonight. Loving it. Alright, so we got this overall big move to the downside, right? Set of interest. The daily stats. Okay, yeah. I'll just write about my win rate, just out of interest, how different that was. So let's go back here. Okay, so I think we'll get another entry here. I'd just like another retest of this low. That's a good question. I'd like another retest here. These are good moves. Man, it was good trading there. That was good. Really joined in the action, didn't we, on the move down? Picked it up and reversed it. It was cool. It was cool. Not bad. Not bad. I want to take a short here, just to this low. Let's see. In the ideal world, I'd rather just stick with the long here. The entry for this short is here, right? Back at this high. We have bing bing choosh. That's what I'd be keen on. But I'd like another retest. RSI is building its way back up. I'm gonna sell for 5 here without take loss here. I'm gonna take profit at this low. Hopefully we can break down. It has to break the low of this candle. I'm just gonna break even on this trade. That's good. Tick me. Oh, it didn't tick me. I'm gonna take that. Just because I think we may reverse. It might have been like a tick out or something like that. But that's alright. It's cool. Couple of different thought processes there. We spoke about yesterday. Hold it, trail it, but looks like we've got it knocked. So I think I read that quite well. I think this is a really good level of support for price at the moment. So for the type of trading we do, I think that's pretty good. So where are we at? Whoops, I think I just moved that unnecessarily. Breaking back above here. Could have potentially re-entered, like reverse that trade. For this move back up, right? We were in here for this move down here. It's not too bad. So we exited our previous trade here at this high. So we entered here. I think our entry was, we got into it for twice, right? So we entered here on this candle. We added to it on one of these candles here. And it wasn't until this one, until we got the move up. We exited because of this stall. We thought, okay, I'm not sure. Could have got slightly more out of it. Slightly. That was it, really. It's not a huge amount. Before we got the sell-off to the downside. So, yeah, we could have potentially been at... there's potential we could have been at 300 in one trade as opposed to taking 2 lots of risk. It's a fair point, right? That's cool. It's cool. I'm just wondering about that, like what's the better way of doing it, right? It's nice little reversals here. I'd like to see a little bit more consolidation here before we make a move to the upside. Got some high highs and high highs on the chart versus RSI. Nothing too special going on there. Well, this is good, man. We've made some good calls. Really good calls. Except for the practice stuff getting knocked out of these trades just because our stocks were too tight. It was as simple as that. That was our only bad mistake on the practice. We could have been possibly 2,500 up on this account already. Pretty easily, to be honest. But yeah, flicking between the two, yeah, it's not the best way of doing it, right? It's a great way to get distracted. Excuse me. Had a stunning nap before the session. Absolutely stunning, man. Loved it. I'm ready to go back to sleep. So good. I've been waiting for some good night's sleeps, man. I've been struggling to get to sleep. It's the biggest thing, not falling asleep till 2 a.m. Stuff like this. It's pretty frustrating. Again, lots of reflux too. But I think it's a compounding thing. I think it happens when I get really poor sleep. This is starting to look a little bit better for a long at the moment. We haven't broken this previous high. It'd be pretty cool with re-entering along at this low for a move just to the 18,840 which is what this probably should be at. It'd be cool if this slowly bleeds down. I really want to get some confirmation between RSI and the chart. So we found a really good example of RSI divergence not really working out. It kind of did, but it didn't, right? So it's this move here. It was also confirmed here, continued with this divergence here after this little burn, and then we only got to move after this level before the sell-off, right? So it didn't indicate a massive move, but it indicated a small move. So yeah. I guess it wasn't technically wrong. It depends on what metrics you apply to that. Starting to like this for a long. We might get rejected from this high. What would be interesting here is this sell. I'm just wondering out loud here. This sell to the bottom of the range. Just see, just out of interest. Because it has to break. Well, it's broken that now. But I've seen this kind of moves before. It's almost like this fake out. We'll take that. That short. That's basically here, right? It's that move. Just out of interest, I'd be interested to see what happens here. Yeah, it's just in the practice, a bit of a pun. It's not super confident. It's already been. I think my initial thoughts on the long was a better idea. Yeah, I was about to move that. Yeah, cool. Yes. Yeah, because of this close and that last candle was the so we're really betting that the open of this candle was going to pull down, but it didn't, did the opposite. So it was a fair risk to make, to be honest. Would have been good on this to take the long. Yeah, so this kind of like little build up, didn't it? So I wonder what's going to happen here. I'd like to enter on this move, but here at this level, 18,840, if we got in, that's the spot. We're at this little high at the moment. You could short it to this level, but it's only a few pips. It'd be like $50 or something. And it's not confirmed, so it looks bullish, doesn't it? We can really see the kind of trading that I do, and it's starting to reveal itself. It's counter trend trading is basically what I'm doing most of the time. I'm definitely catching myself do it a lot. Dude, that's a nice move. Nice. Unexpected. We'd have been lucky to win that move. Would have been lucky. I know we were talking about along here. Yeah, the counter trend trading. Just wonder. Some good resistance there. We missed our entry, really. Our entry was right at the top of that, and that's basically where I would have had my stop. 5 seconds left on this candle. So let's see. It's closing very bullish. Yeah, such a bullish close. Stunning. But I'd like to enter a short. And I'd just like to push a little bit higher. I'd like it to really ride. I think I just missed that entry and I'm getting in where I didn't want to be. Okay. That's alright. We'll just leave our stop up there. My entry for that really was that, and probably a what do you call it? Would have been better than that. A limit order. Ugh. Took me a bit to get that out. Yeah, but limit order would have been way better there. Just thinking about adding to get the spot I want. I'm gonna enter that on this account. Really looking for that move down here, and then the stop is at this high, right? That'd be the Oh, did we get knocked out? No. Yeah, so entry on this is not good on the live account, because ideally I wanted to be at this level right now, this entry, but it looks way too bullish, right? Really need to push back down pretty aggressively from here. Just wondering if we add to this. I like the idea of this move a lot, but it's precarious. It's not confirmed at all. It's really catching the top of this move. That's what we're targeting here, top, which is not ideal. It just looks way too bullish. I'm just thinking about exiting early just to take the $35 loss, because I think we might pump a little bit more. But I like this short. That's a good close. It's a good close. Has to break here to keep moving. So let's see. Let's see if we'll get it. We're really only chasing to this low. We don't want much more out of this. We might play here a bit longer. 26 seconds left on this candle. Let's look on the 5. Oops. I want to move that. This doesn't look as promising on the 5, to be honest with you. Got 3 minutes left on this candle. Could we touch here and then move? Could we do that? Because we've done these kind of moves before, it's a pullback, a very short-term pullback in a bigger move to the upside. Definitely seen these moves before, plenty of times. And it throws you out because you get excited about this short, and yeah, it ends up being a loss because you get a bigger push. It's like just a temporary pullback. in a bigger move, and it could push to this high, for example. And it looks like it may do that. I'm happy to leave the stop where it is. Very happy. There we go. We've hit the stop on this trade. Think about this, man. Really depends on how this closes. Because that eat up. 27 seconds left on this candle. 21. I think I still like it. I think I still like it a lot. Just the way it's getting eaten up. Pretty tight on that stop, weren't we? That's okay. We do need to spend a bit more time here before we get this bigger move, I think. But that's a good close. A good close. What have we got left on this? Oops. What have we got? Sorry, on the 5. I got distracted. 21 seconds left on the 5. So, if this closes bearish, it would be ideal. 10 seconds left. Hopefully, we can close bearish. So we lost, yeah, the pitch is starting to build up a little bit more for a long. We might just get chopped up here. It's not a good trade to get chopped up in. It's good we've got some closes here below the 18,860. We really need a strong push. Really strong push. Strong, strong, strong. Push, push, push. Push, push. Show me what you got. Push a bit harder. Just closing that on the practice because I don't want to monitor it. That's a good close to the upside, that last one. So just bring it back over here. So we're down $17 essentially between the two different trades. But that's a nice long side move there. So definitely got some evidence here for the continuation up. Just entering along at that high, which is probably not ideal. I was expecting a bit more of an aggressive move. What is RSI showing us here? We've got all these closes below, right? But we're not closing below this low. Yeah. We're getting chopped up a bit here. But that's alright. We fix this account, so. And where do we have that stop? Yeah. It's getting some good eat ups there. It's really promising for this upside move. And we're just going to take it to here, essentially. Just to grab that high. Some nice little eat ups there. I think people are keen on this long. I wonder if we'll get a bigger exhaustion candle first. Yeah, we're just chasing that move. It's not much. That's what we want. That first entry was a bit shit, wasn't it? Bit shit. This has to close back above, but the fact that it hasn't is not cool. Not cool, bro. It has to close back above. That just closed. But this looks bullish, so looks good for this move, doesn't it? All these candles look good. We'll take it on this as well. And we're going to chase that high. That's a fair high. Our stop loss on that is ideally you want to see it push above. You really, really do. 15 seconds left on this candle. We still may sweep this low before we continue. We can afford another loss on this account. Yeah, I think we're playing the ranging game, man. We haven't waited for the confirmation. We do have some divergence starting to show, I think, if you count these as two highs. How are we looking on this account? We might take this off the table very shortly. 17 seconds left on this candle, but I think the pants might fall out of it for this move down here. Just wait for a little bit more of a push. 1 second left. We're closing below. Yes. I like this trade. And we're going to this high. Did we get knocked out on this? Oh, we did. Going to that high. Just there. I think we can get it. We might take this off. We will. Take the 900. So, I like this trade here. I think we're primed for the move back. Our stop is good. Stop is good. Hmm. Yeah, I think we have to go to this low then. Our stoppers here for this move. All right. Now, why did we lose these trades? Getting caught up in the wash, right? It's essentially it. It's essentially it. It's a nice bounce. Yeah, we are going to reverse this. Oh, now we're in up there. We really got to chase this high. Let's average down on this position. Get the right position entry. We'll take the 450. All right, we need to stop playing on that account. We need to focus on this one. Interesting. You got a lot of people looking for a long here. And I don't know. I would like to take a long. It's a pity we got knocked out of our long for this account. But I was happy with the tight stop. It's a tough one, man. I'm gonna enter this. Hopefully, we get the close back above. This candle needs to close a lot stronger to the upside. A lot stronger. Really want it to push. You really want it to push hard. I don't like that we have such a big bias to the upside at the moment. I really don't like it. On the tilt indicator, I don't like it at all. I feel like we've got a little bit more to go. I'm going to take this off because I want to wait. I want to wait. I think this is the move. I really don't like it. And I like the short here. Down to this low. I just don't like that there's such a big bias. I want to be here on this account to catch the bottom of this because I think we really need to retest one of these lows. If we break this, we're going to go further. I just don't like the bias to the upside. I like how price gets eaten up here. It's a good thing. But I think there's a bigger move here. We're out of lunch, right? Yeah, I think this is going to come down. Testing this low right here. Really ranging at the moment. This is something we need to stay out of, right? So we've given a little bit of profit back to the market. Not too much, but we have definitely given some profit back to the market. And I don't like how we got chopped up in these trades here at all. It's definitely something that I've done before, right? So if we look at my win rate on today, we've got daily stats. I don't know why it says 90. Doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Oh, I guess we lost 2 trades on the 50k, right? Only 2 trades. Yeah, I guess that makes sense then, but it'd be interesting to see how that comes out in the wash. Alright, it's starting to look a bit better. It's clearly respecting this low quite well, but we're bouncing from this 18,860 price. Doesn't want to break past it. We haven't seen any closes above it. Not a single one. Not a single one. These 2 candles look bullish. We might get the close above in a sec, but you'll see. I like this little build up here. I like it a lot. We'll exit this. I'm gonna enter here. Yeah. Yes. So we've tested this quite a lot. It's just a great spot to get chopped up. And we don't know. We don't know. It looks like a long at the moment. That's what it says to me. But I don't know if it's going to push. Just don't know. 1 second left. 2. Let's see if we get a little push to this high. No. That's disappointing. It's definitely disappointing. Testing this low again. Bouncing from here. Yeah, we want to stay out. We're giving our profits back to the market. We were up 250 before. We made some good calls, but we're getting chopped up. Here we're entering for the sake of entering. And we need to stay out of it. Although, this little move here looked bullish, so I've been thrown out a little bit by that. The real entry for this is here, and I'd like to see that move down. We might break it on this one. Yeah. So undecided. The market is so undecided. It's so interesting to see you've got so many people keen on longs. Just really like this short down to here. Like it a lot. Might even be, so there's some solid resistance at the moment. We haven't drawn in this line. We kind of thought it was free hanging, but I didn't look. There definitely could have been some long wins there for sure. I want to see it push to this low, because I like this buy. To this level there, that'd be the trade on that. It's not much, but I like this short. You know what? Let's flip it on this. Let's flip it. Reverse position for this move. Because I think we'll get it. It needs to push down to the low. That's what I want to see. I'm going to change that to 5. Just in case it pushes past. Because it'll put my stop in for $50 stop loss. So we had a short on the practice up here, right? We exited on one of these candles back up, right? Yeah, it just makes sense, this move to the downside temporarily. We haven't broken that low. Really ranging, aren't we? Really ranging. I like adding to that with our stop here. Haven't broken that high. Yeah, this makes sense. And it's only a move down to here. It's not far. It's not far at all. Starting to get a picture of a short-term down move. Yeah. There we go. Sweep the low. Come on. That eat up's not good. It is a bad thing. A really bad thing. But we'll leave it in. We'll leave it in. Just the aggressiveness of this buy pressure here. That's interesting to me. Really interesting to me. I'll leave it. I'll leave it. The entries here. People are starting to flip a bit on the tilt indicator. I liked it to get down to 50-50. We lose a little bit of momentum here. It's a good close. It's in line with the indecision we're having, but we've just got to push. It's got to push. Alright, that's not getting eaten up as aggressively. So we might push. This is good. This is looking good. I like this entry. Just need a little bit more aggressive than that. It's good to see people flipping on the tilt. It's good, it's good, it's good. After this, no more trades on the practice, man. Just wasting our time with it. We'll just take that off. Because I want to focus on this. I don't want to think about it. People like this level. It's that level there. It's like 1845. I think we still got a short here. I'm going to enter this short for this move. Yeah, I'm just going to remove this buy temporarily. I'm cool with being wrong on this trade. I wasn't expecting this to happen at all. I was expecting a more aggressive, so like this candle getting eaten up. It's good to see this one is. It just stuffs with our entry timing a little bit. I really want to see aggressive move here to these lows. Don't know if we're not going to get it. It's just getting eaten up at this level. Oof, a lot of indecision here. A lot. Yeah, I want to see it break this low. It's really to there, right? Has to break these little candles here to make this all worth it. Good to see we're still below this level. It's a good thing. That'd be a pity to give all the profits back today to the market. And we've lost most of it in this chop up. All right, so you know, we've done that before. We've lost plenty of trades like that before. So I know on our big losing day, we had lots of losing trades there. A lot, actually. So here we go. When we get it. Push, push, push. Push a little bit harder. Push. Ah, you have got to be kidding me. Push, push, push. Push. Thank you. I'm going to enter along here. Catching bottoms. Really just back to here. I don't love this entry. I'm just going to wait. I'm going to exit. Because I was just looking at this little build up here. That was my main concern. And I want to wait for the confirmation. That's a good little eat up there. That's promising. Buy for 5 is here. At those lows. If we get picked up. We wait it out. That's a good question. Alright. Well, that was a really good little win for the short side. I don't think we're ready to go for it just yet. Not just yet. If we entered, it'd really just be this high temporarily. Entering at this low, but it's good to see it close above like that. Let's see. Be cool to get wicked into this trade. I wouldn't be upset with that. And even if it hit my stop, I wouldn't be upset with it either. My stop would be sitting just below these lows on this trade. Alright, so we wicked in on this trade, but it doesn't look super promising. We're just really chasing that move. I was even thinking just to this level. We'll take that out. I really need to wait. These little tiny chips. Yeah, it just looks so weak. We need a confirmation of this long. It's interesting to see people still positive on the long side. Still positive on the long side. We have a lot of potential to play here for a bit longer. Getting some good eat ups there. So we got our entry before at that low. And we only took $20 out of the market. It's not a real lot of money at all. It's a fantastic close there. Fantastic. 55%. Looking for a long right now. I'm definitely keen on a long. I like how price is getting eaten up here. I just want to get the right entry on it. Do we have potential to push the low? Do we have potential? It's a nice little buy up there. We're gonna break. We're gonna break, and then the next stop is here, right? Yep, my caution was warranted. Very warranted. I don't think I would have entered there. We do have some evidence for that low, but the real entry on this is here. We have pushed past it though before. I've also seen so where's 18,000? 18,000's here. Could we test 18,000 before we test 19,000? The overall market. Could we just reject super hard from here? These are all great questions. I'd like to answer. We're definitely at a turnaround point at the moment. Definitely take a short here. 50% looking for a short / long. Yeah, the short entry is about now on this trade, just to this low. Is it worth the risk? Is it worth the punt? Yeah, we missed that entry if we did, because the entry's up there, right? Yeah, I think we need to retest this low. I think so. Yeah, we missed that short entry. Short entry was good. So I don't think we're ready to turn around. I like this entry here. It's good that it's so heavy to the downside still. It'd be like a little wick me in kind of thing. Be around there, right? So there was our original entry. We'd be in on that trade. I think it's still a little bit heavy. I'd like to walk away with 400 in profit today, ideally. Be the ideal mark to hit today. Yeah, that short was a good call. Really good call. That short-term move down to that low. Yeah, joining in on those trends is a good thing. Really good thing. I know I like to counter trend trade, which is what I keep doing. obviously. Glad we stopped looking for a long over here. It's really evident that, yeah, that we're going to make a move to the downside, right? Because you just couldn't break that high. Just couldn't do it. We got the win, the short side here, but then we kept going. Definitely could have been a trail, that one, for sure. My expectation is we would play a little bit more. Got this lower high. You got a little bit of RSI divergence showing up. Not super significant. I can see it there. I just liked a little wick down here. That'd be a little bit more confident on this entry. Just wanted to push a little bit more, just a tiny bit. I don't want it to fall through this level too far, but I just want to... What time was that? That was open, so that makes sense. That move. This was before open. This was lunchtime today. Basically looking for that revisit, aren't we? Yeah, I want a little bit more of a push there. We got an hour and 30 minutes until close. 30 minutes to close. Yeah, wick down to that level. And a really solid reject would be nice. Would be really nice. 55% people looking for a short right now. But this is starting to look good for a long. I think we still need to bounce though. These are our little levels to break. People flipping already to the long side. But I think it's too early, my friends. I need to wait it out. To wait it out. Yeah, great learning today. Really good learning. Market tested me for sure. Really good tests there. Really happy with that. Want to enter a short right now. Just to the lows. Last couple candles are bullish though. But I think we need to retest. Let's see. My stop would have been above this resistance. So let's see. People flip to the long side. Ooh. Yeah. We would have been wrong. Oh, we got a much more aggressive move than I anticipated. Let's see. Yeah, it looks really good, doesn't it? What a nice move. Really nice move. Yeah, I'd really like to... Got 2 minutes left on this candle. If we close below this level, get another white one down before a move. That would be cool. That would be cool. I'd be keen on that. So it'll be the 3rd time we've tested this low. Could we fall through it? Could we fall through it? Yeah, we definitely left some profits on the table today. But that's alright. We're green, so that's all that matters. But we worked for it. $56 seconds left on this candle. I'd like to see it close below that resistance. And then an aggressive white candle print to the downside. So what I'd like, and I'd be entering for the long. I think it's too early for the long. Although those last minute candles did look really good. Look really, really good. So, let's see. Let's see. What's our... How many trades did we lose? So it says we lost four trades. 38 winning trades. Doesn't seem right. We definitely didn't take 38 trades anyway, so I don't know. I don't know how this figures it out. I don't like it. There you go, getting that aggressive white candle. This is what I want to see. Oh, it's a nice short on the... yeah, really nice short on the 1 minute. I just didn't see that. I'm going to enter for 5. Oh, we got in for... Oh, no. That was fine. That's fine. Could we push through? Just thinking about adding to this position. That's all I'm thinking. It would average us up. Really only chasing that high. That's all I want out of this trade. Let's trail this a bit. Yeah, really only after this move. I think once we hit 150, we've got... Okay, so we just closed that candle. It's a good close. Really good close. A beautiful reject there. But I really want this high. We'll go to break even on this trade. We'll wait it out. I'll take the 100. I've got 300 on the day. Let's see if we get a retest here. Because that would be sweet. The 5. Oh, so good. We got the move we wanted. Basically to the tick, man. Just wick me. Can't complain about that move. Such a good move, man. So back at 300. That's so good. Definitely one we could have scaled into. For sure. For sure. But I was happy exiting that trade for the 100. Because I'd just like a retouch. Such a cool short, this one. Isn't that interesting, man? With yesterday, today, still bias on the whole week. Oh man. I just remembered something. After I played the tape back last week, I said, because we looked at the weekly, right? We'd had week after week of good days. And I was like, next week is probably going to be a sell-off week. And if we've been biased to the short side, we would have done a lot better today. A lot better. Yeah, wow. Man, I'll have to play it back. What a revelation. I didn't remember that. Take some notes during these sessions. Because basically, all of the shorts we would have taken would have been nice. Would have been real nice. 60% of people are still looking for a short right now. Because my entry for this is really here. This is what I'd like to see. I'd like to see either equal to or higher than this blue candle wick as another wick. Don't want to see it any lower, because then I can put my stop just below this low. That's where I'd really like it to be. We've also got some wicks here, which I might just pop in that level as well. Yeah, I love this short, man. I was watching the 5, remember, so I wouldn't have seen this entry. But that little white candle right there after this sell candle, it just looks mwah to me. It's really good. Super interesting. So a little wick here. The chances of getting one now is going down though. Let's see. To get this divergence, didn't we, before that big push, which we didn't, we kind of forgot about after we said it. I guess because it wasn't that significant, but anyways. I wouldn't say this counts though. Just looking at this here. The chances of it falling really hard is going up right now, in my eyes. It really is. You could argue. It's looking better though. Be cool just to get this wick in. I really want Top Step to add in your previous trades to the chart so badly. That's what's so good about Tradeovate. So good. You get to see all of them. We've got an hour and 6 minutes. No, hour and 26 minutes left on the day, right? Hour and 16. Sorry, it took me a second to process that because it's 50 minutes before. Man, we made some good calls today. Really good calls. But we just haven't maximized the profits. It's as simple as that. But fantastic calls. Wow, this looks really nice. Let's see if we break this high. Quite struggling with it. Struggling. I was just thinking what my entry would have been for that trade, and it would have been right at the top of that range. But you can't do it until that closes. I think we need to do one more retest. We haven't got the move down to the low side yet. I thought this candle here, this blue one, was going to be the next one that pushed down harder. But I think this is going to be a move here. I don't think it'll go up. No, we're wrong. I think. Let's see. I'd really love to see some confirmation here. Right at this resistance, right here. I wonder if that's a good short entry. It looks super bullish though. Super bullish. Yeah, I guess we've missed this entry, right? Because we're trying to optimize the entry position. So maybe. Oh, it'd be really cool if we got this high on RSI. So I get this picture. I'd be happy with that. Reject, buy. Ooh, it's a good sell. Oh, I think we just missed that entry. Wow. By like 2 ticks, man. 2 ticks. That's a nice candle to the downside. We were talking about a short, right? Worked out. But we've missed this entry, man. Missed it. Would have been a good 150 back to the top of that range. So it's a pity. It's a real pity. Yeah, we missed it by like 2 ticks. 2 ticks. the aggression on that bounce. I love it. Oh, no. That's a bad spot to enter. High risk trade. Because where do you put your stop? Stops is down here. So even though I really love it for a long. Oh man. What an annoying entry to miss by like a pip. By a pip, man. You know what'd be cool? It's like a box entry, right? So let's say you put a box on the screen. Oh, that'd be a cool entry method. Really cool entry method. I'll just do it with this day range. That will do. So what you do is you have an if statement, right? If price goes past this level, don't buy. All right. If it comes back past it, it buys it. If it hits this lower level first before hitting back up here, then it buys this level. Then you basically get your range entry. That'd be pretty sick, man. Be pretty sick. Look at this divergence. Divergence on RSI between these two. Man, would have been a great little scalp, that one. It's pity. Oh well. At least our thought process was right. Can't complain about that. Can't complain about the thought process. It's hitting 9 o'clock. Cool. Hour and 9 minutes left. Market's still waiting for this big long move, right? Ooh. How exciting. Very exciting. And you'd be pissed entering some positions here, right? Really pissed. It's just getting thrown around. Similar to what we did up the top of this range too. Really choppy. I was just thinking before this candle printed of a short at the top of this range. Just low again. That was my thought. But I'm happy to stick with the long bias. Be interesting to see how this plays out. That was kind of an intuitive thought. Yeah, it's good to sell this one too, hey? Yeah, so we called that out, but I think we would have been, well, we said our stop had to be up here to make that work, right? So it would have been fine. But, you know, ideal well, probably wouldn't want your stop any higher than this, right? Yeah, it depends how tight you could have been. You definitely could have got stopped out there. I'm starting to like this for a long, but I want it to come down. I think it needs to first. So let's see. I think there's some good pressure there to the upside. It's building. Remember we said we were keen on a short before, so I'm interested to see how that plays out. Really interested to see. It's on this candle here. hopefully, I'd be really cool with seeing a higher high on RSI, but a lower low on the chart. Lower high, sorry, on the chart for that divergence confirmation. My stop for that theoretical loss is above this high here, so let's see what happens. I'm just going to get rid of this line here just to clean up the chart. So yeah, let's see if my theoretical short, but this little build up here looks really nice. Looks really nice. Similar to this, so it can easily get thrown out right. But yeah, I'm really keen. I want to move back down here before I take this long. Will we get it before the close? So what are we, 700 up on the practice? We flip-flopped huge on that one, man. Huge. Yeah, massive loss, massive wins. But we're ahead in the end. But yeah, I can understand where I've made the mistakes on that. It's great learning though. Great to take that away. Happy with that. I like this still for a short. I just want it to fall down to this low. I've seen these fake out shorts though. These always throw me out. It's like, it looks good for short because you get this eat up here, an eat up candle like that too. And you're like, oh, it's short territory, right? And then it just powers. It just powers on. So let's see. Let's see. Remember our stop is above this. Still looking good for the short side. I'll be entering depending on how we approach. Ideally, I'd love on a really aggressive approach, similar to this, and re-enter, right? But I'd probably enter for 5 basically at this line, but I want to see how it approaches, and I want to keep my buy in that spot. Yeah, it's still good for the short here, isn't it? Still good for it. Just wondering about entering this position for the short side. I'm just wondering about it. But like I said, I've seen these kind of moves before. They can throw you out because it looks good, but you get destroyed. I just had it happen to me. PTSD on that one. It's good we haven't broken that high though. Here we go, here's the sweep. Oh, it has to push a lot harder than that to make this worth it. The entry for the long's not yet. It's definitely not yet. You can see there's some upward pressure, right? Definitely exists. The indecision is reflected on the tilt indicator. 50-50, 51, 49 at the moment. So it's really just a short to this low. But you can see how similar these two moves are. Incredibly similar. Yeah, that short was a good call. Oh. I might have missed this entry. Let's see. We get a push down. Because I want to be in this long. I did say I was keen to enter here, but it didn't dwell there long. It didn't dwell as long as I thought it was going to, so let's see. I think we'll get another chance here. Fingers crossed. I want the right entry on this. I really do. I don't want to be stuck in a bad trade. I really don't want to be. And hopefully the pants just don't fall out of it. So cool, we're in. Our stop's in the right spot. And let's see how this plays out. Yeah, exit is at the top of that range. So let's see if we get this aggressive move up. I was nearly going to add to it when we were back at this level. But we'll see. Just bring this up to break even. We're just chasing this move. That's all we're after this. Hopefully people flip into the long side already. So that's a good thing. Entry's on point. Stop loss was on point. It's good things. $19 seconds left on this candle. Maybe we can sneak a little bit more out of it. Just a tiny bit more. Let's see. Let's see. The close on that is bad. Let's see if we retest these lows before we go up. I'm gonna re-enter. I like the way that closed. Our exits here. Still chasing this. So we lost that break-even trade. Essentially, we lost it, right? Still like the stop on this, but I'm just wondering. It seems so heavy to the downside, and it's not as aggressive. These two candles are a bit shit. It really has an aggressive move up. I think we made like $2 on that last trade. Probably. Not even that. 250. It didn't clear the... It didn't clear the take profit. I was thinking on that previous trade, taking profit here, right? Because of the way that this closed, I didn't like it. So it's clear. Got a little bit more to go. I'm just thinking about doing the same on this trade. I'm going to do the same here. Whether that's the right thing to do or not, I just feel like we're a little bit precarious here because of the way this has been handled. But let's see if I was wrong. I might be wrong. Might be being proven wrong now already. Let's see. Just a little bit of pressure there to the downside. Just a little bit too much pressure. Guess I could have trailed this one as well and just left it. Wouldn't have been a bad thing. Just putting a stop here, right? Yeah, maybe that was the right thing to do. Let's see. Let's see. I don't mind being cautious. Cautious is a good thing. If we get another move down here, I'll be re-entering. What time are we? Okay. 55 minutes till close. Yep. There you go. I was wrong. We got the move to the high there. So we would have got our 150. Most definitely. So, hey, we waited for that entry. Waited for it. Too tight on the second stop. Sorry, the first stop, obviously. Okay, it's cool. Hey, look, we've made various mistakes today in regards to our exits. In particular, entry's been generally pretty good. Generally pretty good. I like this for a continuation a lot. Take out this high. Yeah. Let's see if we get another opportunity here, man. We'd have hit our $400 target. Easy. Easy, easy. So our original take profit was good. Everything was good about it. So can't complain about that. It's just the exits we need to work on. That's it. So we're at 51,457. It's really good. Really good. But looking back on the day, right, we were basically at 300, well over an hour ago. So if you base it on that, technically, you say, well, we wasted a buck at a time, right? If you put it that way. But if you put it this other way, we've spent more time in the market, right? That's a good thing. From my point of view, how much is 300? I'm just thinking ahead of time. If you were making an average of, 300, because I know our 300 average has been what we've been doing for the last few days. Right? So 333, let's just say, times by 1 point. I think the US dollar is 7.2, so it's like $572 a day. It's not great. Well, it's good for only working a few hours, like 2 hours, right? As opposed to working 8 hours. So from that point of view, it's really good. Although, from the point of view that you want to make this your living, huge stress, man. Because you... yeah, I don't know. So, technically, if we... Oops, it's not what I wanted to do. Just want to open the calculator. You can't see what I'm doing anyway, so I'll just close this. Yeah, so let's say you've made 1,457 times by 1.72. So that's 2,500 Australian dollars in about 6 days. So that's good money. Let's just call it a week, right? Times by 52. It's 130,000 a year. Still not enough, man. You pay taxes on that. Ideally, it's good for flexibility, life flexibility. There's a few things there to think about, right? Making trading a full-time gig is ideally you want some supplemental income just to take the stress off, pay the bills, you know. That's what you want. Yeah, you want to pay the bills, and you don't want to be worried about having to pay the bills through trading. That's the huge thing. Just thinking about my exit on this trade. It's such a small brain exit, really. Definitely could have maximized that trade. That's all right. I'm just thinking back, you know. So original entry was here. Add to the position here. We've done that before. We did that the other day, right? Add to it, and then your exit still stays the same, right? Once you hit your exit, you're off in flying colors, right? Because we've got 300 there, so 600 of the day, right? And we waited for that move. We were patient for it. So, and we only missed this by a tick, this entry. So, you can't complain about that either. You know, we definitely could have got this move as well. So, definitely could have got this move. I definitely want to do the $100 challenge as well. I think I have to check my TraderVet account, but I think I've got like $150 in there at the moment. It'd be good to turn that into 1,000 if I could. I think it's possible. The only thing is, I think, yeah, you wouldn't want any less than $100 in there. So you can't take any positions if you've got less than 100. So if you get some drawdown, you're a bit stuck. So, but I should check that account as well and just see what I got in it. So it'd be a good little challenge to do. But the first thing we need to do is pass this evaluation. So it's the first step. Yeah, we definitely could do a better job maximizing the output from our trades. Definitely. Yeah, just thinking about that, man. Definitely need to work on that because we could be in a much better position on the day, right? Giving us a little bit more room to play tomorrow if we need to. So, because we always got to prepare to have a losing day. Always. Because we could easily, and we proved it today, right? We can easily give it back to the market. Just a few bad trades. You do 4 bad trades here, you're back at square one. It's as simple as that. So, a nice move up. Really nice. Really nice. Could be a good short entry there. Counter trend trading. That's what we're all about here. Holy shit. It's a bad way to trade, man. Well, it's not a bad way. It's just that you gotta be a lot more. It's very scalpy. Let's say you put the short in there, right? You put your stop above here. You're betting. It's just a higher risk, right, for this move down to this low for you to exit. It's basically what you target here, right? But this momentum coming into the close is just so aggressive. So yeah, I don't think I'll take any more trades today. We did well here, but we could have done so much better. So much better. We took like 30 bucks, right? Which we could definitely have taken 100. So at least. And yeah, intuitively, it's the right thing to do. Take it off the off here and rebuy here, or add here. So would have been the play. That's right. We live and learn. Live and learn. So this is good stuff. We're doing well. Can't complain about winning. It's crazy. Can't complain about it. So, alrighty, team. Let's do a bit of a roundup on the day, because I'm keen to get out of here. I think we've done well. Made good progress. We had a massive turnaround on the practice as well. So there you go. That short would have been wrong. Just a continuation, baby. Your next level is here, right? That's really where your stop loss is. I wonder if you get like some sort of stupid wick up here before the close, like to this high. Just interested. %73%. Looking for a long at the moment. Yeah, we'll wait 4 minutes and then we'll call it. 4 minutes is fair. I'll give myself that. You wouldn't be far off re-entering that long very shortly. About here. I wonder if you push any lower. Yeah, I really liked the behavior I pulled off a few days ago, you know, like being really patient with how the trades play out. Really patient. Because I believed in this trade a lot. But I got flaked out here, right? This high. Yeah. Yeah, you'd be basically entering the long very shortly. The stop loss below this low. The heat up's pretty good, even if you entered now. Just chasing this high. That's all you're after. Just a range. Yeah, it's a nice close on the last candle. You wanted to push a bit harder than that. You kind of want it to hit that high. At least. At least. There you go. Nice little call. How many pips is that? That's only 30. It's not a real lot. I'm interested to see what my bracket. So daily profit target. That doesn't come up though. Daily lost. It doesn't say. Alright, you got this high and a low on the chart. Would have been good for a short, that. Really good. I don't want you to stay out of the market. I'm happy on today, and I don't want to continue. I'm really happy. Because any trade we take, it'll just be like we'll be trying to exit really quickly. That'd be our thing, so it's not worth it. So psychologically, I'm done. Ready to eat some food and have a good night's sleep. Another really good one. That's what I need. We can start off fresh tomorrow. 300 on the day. It's great. Really good work. Cool. All right, team. Let's do a bit of a review on today. So overall, trading's pretty good. Pretty good. We started off trading at lunch. So here, just coming into the market, we looked at this. We saw the divergence on RSI. We took out a little bit of a long on this pullback here, and we got chopped up a little bit in these moves here. Definitely got chopped up a little bit. It's not the, it wasn't the ideal trading. We were really looking for that long. We wanted the continuation really badly, and I was really biased for it. We didn't get it, and we got rejected. We got rejected. So yeah. Anyway. We waited for this move here. We lost. We gave a bit of our profits back to the market here, but we got them back through these moves here. We took a fantastic trade on this low. We were chasing this entry. We missed that entry. It was one tick away. We were so close. We got this entry here. We moved our stop, trailed it to break even. We got knocked out. As soon as I saw that happen, I actually re-entered. And those kind of trades make you think, right? It's like, well, if you want to be in the market at that level, why would you exit at that level? It's as simple as that. So it's a great position to add. So realistically, leave my stop at the low here. My stop was in a great position. I was very happy with it. It would be just simply adding to the position. So now we exited this trade for like $30 profit. We're really zoomed in. We're looking at it. I was nervous about these two candles and this pullback. So I kind of got fooled a little bit on those two candles, and it made me feel like I was worried that the price would continue on because of these little eat ups too. So it was just what the chart was telling me, right? However, we took like $30 odd there. Realistically, our target was at the top of this range, which was 150. If we added to the position like we just spoke about, 300, right? So it is what it is. being $333 up on the day. It's great. Happy with it. It's our target was 400 on the day. $70 off. You can't complain about that. Right, it's great. Very, very good. So we head over to the practice. We're $858 on the practice. We also got chopped up here on the practice. We took some really risky trades here on the practice as well. But nevertheless, it worked out, if you want to say that. We exited, I think we took one of these trades, I can't quite remember. And we exited, I think, at this high, but obviously a bit more out of it. Then probably would have ended up maybe 2,000 on the day or something like that, but whatevs, right? I need to get less distracted with the practice and really focus on the live account. It's as simple as that. Just looking at the practice, you can see our daily profit been averaging around about 3,000. We obviously pulled that down today. It's pulled our win rate down a little bit as well by losing a few of those trades, but our equity curve's still looking up. And our win rate on the day was 77% on the practice. And if we head over to the live, our win rate on today was 90% as well. Taking a couple of very small wins there increases our win rate. But even the trades that we took early profits on, basically all of them we could have got more out of. So whatevs, right? Our win rate on the overall account is 54%. Our daily balance curve is looking really good too. It's following our practice, which is really good. It's just a huge factor less, right? Because we're taking less risk, etc., right? But this steady equity curve, that's what we need. We do need that, and I think they'll favor that nicely when they assess the account. I don't know what this minus profit factor is. Need to understand that a little bit more, but anyway. Yeah, this is looking good, right? Just that $1,000 day that really fucked us up, like we've been talking about a lot. But we're nearly 1,500 up on the account, so we got to double this to pass the challenge, essentially. So let's see what happens. We've got a bit of time to do that. Coming into the close now on the market, we were keen on this short, but I didn't want to enter anything else. So I nearly entered along here and intuitively, but it was wrong. It was too early. So and I said to myself, nope, we don't need to do anything. We're happy with the profit on today, and we'll leave it as is. I'd be frustrated to walk away from the day with half of this, or even at a significant loss. So just a waste of time. So anyway, I think the main takeaway is optimizing our exits, making sure we're holding our trades, and following our exit plan a little bit more clear. We are following our entry plan pretty nicely, right? Yes, we got chopped up here a little bit. We're really expecting a continuation. But I think once I realized that was happening, we stopped doing it, so it was fine. And we're only taking very, very small losses there, so it wasn't a big deal. It's a big deal. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me, if you ever did. And I hope you have a wonderful night. And we'll be back at it tomorrow. Let's see if we can kick off the day tomorrow with another 300 in the bag, with a profit target around 500 to 600 would be really nice. Really nice. All right, team. Take it easy, and we'll talk soon. See ya.